Welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'll be creek fishing for creek chub using the Trip Magnet Grub. Got some action already. Alright, that's fish number one. Nice little creek chub. Now I'm doing a fishing tournament, so I have to measure this guy. Oh, gotta get him. These fish are actually fairly common in creeks. They get up to about, I think the record is around a foot. This one's around 6.5 inches, so not a bad fish. This is around my PB right there. Let's get him back. There we go. Today I'm fishing with a couple of my buds, and one of them is in the tournament with me, so we're both trying to get a creek chub for the scoreboard. He's currently in first with the he caught a 25-inch pike, so this isn't gonna help me that much, but I'll try to get back there. No muskie like last season. Alright, we're just rotating around here. Alright, back to casting. Got one. This is smaller than the last. This is probably 5.5 to 6 inch. Not a bad fish. I always think of these fish kind of like trout, just the way they fight. They fight really well, especially the bigger ones. It's like an easier version of trout to catch. Now, some people do eat them, but I honestly don't know if you get that much off. Oh, that was close. That was a pretty good one, too. Yeah, the water levels are down a lot right now. You can probably see that. Got one. Oh, big one, big one. Ooh, this is a good fish. This is potentially a PB. I think this is a PB fish. Let's see what we're at. Let's see. Yep, that's PB. 7.5 inch creek chub. They look pretty cool once they get bigger. They have very large heads. Alright, let's get a picture of him. Put him back. Missed showing him to the camera here. Still getting used to the new camera settings. Alright, let's see if we can get some more fish here. Not sure what's up today, but the red ants are really bad, so we probably won't be here for more than another 20 minutes. Yeah, you gotta keep moving with these things. Yeah, the water level is so low right now, there's no water coming in or out of this little pool in the creek. You'll see later in the video, but my friends actually decided to check out the tube beneath. Yeah, the water flow is just stopped here. Kinda scary. And then we had a big ice storm here back in I wanna say March, and that's why all these trees are down here. I mean, the fish like it. I do regret not bringing a net today, but so far we've been okay. Nothing too big. I know in the past my other friend has actually pulled out some good creek chub. This is actually my first time fishing here this year. Usually I'm down here a couple times a year, just for fun. Creek fishing is just like, it's a different kind of fishing. Lighter rods, lighter gear. A lot of people aren't as good as it, but I've kind of picked it up quick. Oh, there's one. What do we got? Oh, that's another pretty good one there. Probably around a 7 inch. Yeah, that's around a 7. 7.5 maybe. It's a good one too. Yeah, it's harder to get the fish back in the water right now just because I'm higher up. I'm actually standing on a giant drainage tube, so it's a awkward place to fish. Especially since it rained earlier this morning, so everything's still a bit wet. Yeah, these red ants are terrible. My friend, actually one of my subscribers, if you go to my shorts, you'll see that he's commented on a lot of videos. His name is Storm Dude, and I'm fishing with him today. Just want to thank him for all the support so far. Alright, we're probably gonna move soon. We're gonna try to get over to the opposite bank there. We'll probably have to walk around. The way we came in, it's over that way. Usually there's a path down there, but I don't think people have been using this little pool in the creek as much since it's like kind of dried up. Getting a couple little bites in here, but nothing too big. So I'm actually just twitching it along the bottom right now. It's been working. That's what I caught the two big ones on. You just gotta, in the summer when they're like lazier, you just gotta drop it right in front of their faces and hope they kind of bite. Oh, there's one. Oh, my camera cut off for a second. This is another little one. I'm actually not sure how many are actually in this pond. It's probably like 20 to 30. Because I know in the spring, in past years, there'll be like up to 50 in here for spring spawning, and then some will migrate further up the stream to other large pools. So it's it depends on how many stay here as to how many we'll catch. There's a lot of snags in here today. Hope we could get another couple. We're probably leaving in about 10 minutes. These red ants are unbearable. Usually I'm worried about ticks and that stuff, but not today. My friends got a little sidetracked and explored the tube. Apparently there's no red ants in there. I might be going down there soon. Yeah, hopefully the water level rises in the fall or by winter at least, so these fish can get back to the main lake. Don't think there's much water in here in the winter. Let's try to get at least one more good fish. I know after this we'll be fishing a drainage pond with goldfish. And just a reminder, do not release pet goldfish into your local ponds because they can get into the lakes and then it can ruin the whole ecosystem. Only takes one little thing. They can get big too. I know one of my friends has caught one around football size. Just lost one there. And he got me snagged. It's the hardest part about creek fishing. All the snags. And I guess kind of finding the creeks too. It's always harder in summer. Alright, we still need that one last fish. I'm using the head mount today, so this is probably the one I use the most. Really good for showing my perspective. Good for this type of fishing too, because I'm not casting that far. You guys can all see what I'm doing. Getting bites. Cast right back. Oh, got a tree. Lots of snakes today. Just gotta watch it when the lure comes back at you, because I've got them stuck on my legs before and it hurts. I don't know where all the fish went. I was catching so many. Alright, let's try to get that last one. Don't think that's happening though. Alright, I'll wrap it up by saying thank you for watching and subscribe for more. Tell me what I should fish next and what I should use. Any ideas, just let me know.